Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy English Laugh and Learn, the channel where you improve your English and have a good laugh at the same time. Today, I've got 20 super funny mini jokes. Each joke teaches you a new English word or phrase. Let's have some fun and learn together. Joke 1. Full of beans. Teacher, use the word beans in a sentence. Student, my mom cooks beans, my dad grows beans, and I'm full of beans. Meaning, very energetic. Joke 2. Conversation skills. Friend, why are you talking to your shoes? Me, because I want better conversation skill more from the ground up. Joke 3. Dictionary. Customer, do you have something that makes me look smarter? Shopkeeper, sure, a dictionary. Vocabulary, a book of words and meanings. Joke 4. Thought. Teacher, past tense of think. Student, I thunk. Teacher, no think, thought. Joke 5. Silence. Mom, why is your notebook empty? Me, because sometimes silence is the best answer. Joke 6. Next level. Friend, why the ladder? Me, because my English is going to the next level. Joke 7. Subtitles. Doctor, stop watching English movies at night. Me, why? Doctor, your dreams now have subtitles. Joke 8. Butterfly. Teacher, use butterfly in a sentence. Student, I saw a butterfly, now I'm hungry. Meaning, butterfly equals insect. Joke 9. Weather. Boss, why are you late? Employee, English weather. Boss, but it didn't rain. Employee, not whether, I meant whether I should come. Joke 10. Weekend. Girl, do you speak English? Boy, only on weekends. Joke 11. Break a leg. Friend, wish me luck for my exam. Me, okay, break a leg. Friend, bro, I want to pass, not die. Meaning, break a leg. Good luck. Joke 12. Piece of cake. Student, how was the test? Friend, easy a piece of cake. Meaning, very easy. Joke 13. Hangry. Mom, why are you angry? Me, I'm not angry, I'm hangry. Meaning, hungry plus angry. Joke 14. Under the weather. Friend, you look sick? Me, yeah, feeling under the weather today. Meaning, not well. Joke 15. Brain freeze. Kid drinks cold slushy. Kid, my head. Dad, congratulations, you got a brain freeze. Meaning, sudden headache from cold food. Joke 16. No-brainer. Friend, should we eat pizza? Me, that's a no-brainer. Meaning, very easy decision. Joke 17. Spill the tea. Friend, I have gossip. Me, okay, spill the tea. Meaning, tell me the story. Joke 18. Binge watch. Mom, why didn't you sleep? Me, I was binge watching English videos. Meaning, watching many episodes non-stop. Joke 19. Junk food. Doctor, stop eating junk food. Me, okay, but does pizza count as junk? Doctor, yes. Me, sad in pizza language. Joke 20. Early bird. Friend, why are you awake at 5 a.m.? Me, trying to be an early bird. Friend, congratulations, I'm still a sleepy chicken. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want more fun English learning videos, comment Part 2, and I'll make another long episode. Keep smiling, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.